Hi, I'm Tom Norville. I'm the minister for the Hermitage Church of Christ. As you can see, I'm in my car. I'm about halfway through a route of delivering meals for a program that several of our members are involved in called Meals on Wheels. It's a ministry to the community where we simply provide one meal a day for 5 days a week for people who, for whatever reasons, can't provide that meal for themselves. It's a sweet ministry. There's times when I get ready for it, I dread it a little bit, but then by the time it's over and the people have thanked me several times for bringing them the meal, I always go away thinking, okay, I've really done something for our community. It's simple, takes about 2 hours, 2 days a month. They'll provide you training. If you'll call our church office, 615-883-0653, and select the Meals on Wheels in the directory, someone will get back in touch with you. They'll provide you with the training and help you get set up to do this. It's a nice ministry to folks who really need some care and special attention. So if you could help, we'd love for you to be a part of Meals on Wheels at the Hermitage Church of Christ.